It was the great divergence in 2023. That's right. You guys get it? Do you guys get what's happening? Stocks, crypto, everything crashing. Yet DeFi, a lot of these protocols, especially around bots and trading using arbitrage, using AI, all of these products that are available to us, a lot of people are just learning about it now. And you're already in. You're already watching the FUD farm, so you're ahead of everybody else. But check this out. I've got this 2-2-2 strategy. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Check it out. See if it works for you. Not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. But before we do that, you guys, I cover this because you all hate on me. I mean, not everybody. A lot of you are like, John, it's your channel. Do whatever you want. But check this out. I got in this project like 5 days ago. Let's check active deposits. This is like the biggest gamble play of 2022. I did a video on it. I put $3,000 in this. That's crazy. After I made money in this one, what do you get? You get 1% every hour. Yeah, your project makes 1% a day? Check me out. I make 1% an hour. It's silly and crazy, but check this out. I've still have 5 days, 19 hours left on this. But every hour I come and collect. So let's do that. I'll show you right here. If you go to withdraw, I've got money waiting for me right here. Bam. So this right here, 6752, is from a referral. Some idiot decided to get in this with me. So thank you. I'm not calling anyone idiots. I call everybody idiots. It's like, relax, okay? All right, Tether, BEP20, 433.39. Let's check it out. What does he have in his MetaMask account right now? Let's see. In USDT, I got 179 bucks. What could 179 bucks buy? Not much. But if I add 433, again, this is all coming right out of my my deposit. So the more I collect, you could see right here. Let's see, did it go through? I'll get to the 2-2 strategy. Just relax. I'm just showing people. 179, is it going to go? Is it going to go? Look at how much drip I have in my wallet, by the way, guys. Yeah, drip. Haha. Not funny. It is what it is. Doing what it's designed to do. Look at that. 611. 611. So, all right, guys, be careful. These are high-risk protocols, but I'm just letting you know this is still paying. If you're in this, let people know in the YouTube comment section. A lot of people have hit me up and said, bro, I'm cranking. This is actually working. All right, so what's the 2-2 strategy? 1, 2, 3. I make 2% from this sucker. I make 2% from this sucker. And I make 2% from this sucker. None of these are safe plays because we're relying on trust. All right, these are not FDIC insured. I'm still waiting on Rely Fund. Hopefully we will have that second AMA. I messaged Brandon yesterday and still haven't heard on when we're going to do an AMA. Haven't heard who he's going with to get a legitimate KYC. I will update you guys as soon as possible. It's one thing, again, in DeFi, you can take everybody at their word. But like I told Brandon, I just said, man, sorry, I can't take anybody at their word at this point. I err on the side of the investor. We're not friends until I know who you are. You're doxxed. And there's transparency. Now, you don't have to like me for that. But again, I'm on the side of the investor. I'm not trying to be friends with all these devs. But either way, in the meantime, whether you're best friends with devs or not, all I care about is these projects being sustainable, because my 2-2-2 strategy is to take 2% every day that I have in this. I got about 12,000 bucks in Prosperity Gem Ventures, which if you're looking for a link, I'm not going to post it because it's closed. You can't get in this project, which is why Rely Fund became popular. This was doing the same thing, provide you 2% a day. They're using trading bots. Brandon has shown trades, which is amazing, in their Telegram. So that gives you a lot of assurance. But this, you have to use USDC, which is in the on the Binance Smart Chain. And it's just simple. You can take any coin you want. You go to PancakeSwap and you click on Trade Swap. This is for the noobs. Relax. I know you're like, we already know that. Yeah, well, I get new people that watch my channel too. So, okay. So anyways, then you just come here, connect your wallet, make a deposit, and then here, once a week, you can claim. You can claim all of your money, your 2%. And then the same thing here with yield robots, guys. So I've got, what do I got working for me? I've got $1,455. So I'm not overly heavy in this. They might come on the channel, they said next week sometime for another AMA. So I love that they keep doing AMAs with me because it means they're not trying to dodge anything. And they want to update with trades. They want to show logs. Cool. I'm all for that. The only crappy thing with this one is there is a 3% dev fee. With Rely Fund, there's a 2% fee round trip. I believe 1% in, 1% out. So, but either way. Okay, so what am I doing? Well, guys, I want to get as much real world assets, call it stocks or equity in companies, as I can. As you see the markets continue to fall with fears of recession in 2023, companies with great balance sheets like this, Tesla, I just want to gobble up. When I see dips like this today, down 8%, this rarely happens. Look at this. Over a year, this stock has been falling about 70-something%. Like, I know on my portfolio, this looks red and bloody, and most people would just be like, oh, that's disgusting. And it is disgusting because had I known now, I would have just bought all today, right? But again, every investor knows you can't time the market. You dollar cost average. And when you get massive red days like this, you can look for technicals and say, where's it going to drop? Where's support? You might say, oh, there's support around, $100, $95. And then you don't have support down to like $40 to $55. Now, I doubt it gets there. I really do. I mean, that'll be the greatest Christmas gift ever. But again, I'm taking 2% of all my DeFi plays. This, even this, guys, like all of this I'm just taking, I'll send it to Binance off chain, and then this goes to my bank account, and then I go to Robinhood or Webull. I have a link below. If you don't have a Webull account, you can get free stocks, literally free stocks just for depositing $100, and they'll give you free stocks, and you can start actually owning stocks rather than just gambling in DeFi. Because what I know is that this right here, this company is going to be around a lot longer than probably this, this, and, why don't we just, for fun's sake, we'll pull up this right here. And, that. Okay. So I want to be exposed, guys, to real world assets. And Tesla's profit margins on their cars are 3 times that of Ford and GM. They have billions of dollars in cash. They will be able to endure a recession. Even if they sell their cars for break even, they can still monetize through self-driving, through software, because their cars have, they're building like an app store basically. So Tesla will be able to charge them $10,000 in 2025 for the car that they bought in 2022. There's so many things that Tesla has that other auto manufacturers don't have. Tesla's a battery play for me. It's a solar play for me. It's a play where like we're moving into this green energy, whatever. Tesla's a company you're going to want to own. A lot of people are looking, well, what's the new Tesla? What's the new Tesla? It's like Tesla is the new Tesla. All right. Look at their balance sheet. Look at their leadership. They're moving into robotics. They have self-driving a lot further along than other companies. Do I think we'll ever get to complete full self-driving? I don't know. I've seen all the videos online. It just seems like we're so far away from that. And you say, well, no, 99%. Yeah, it's that 1%. That's the biggest problem. How do you overcome that 1%? How can you sleep in your car and really, really trust it? Most of those people that are using self-driving are like shaking at the wheel a little bit. Like they don't seem comfortable. So, this idea of income coming from robo-taxis, I'm a little skeptical on. But as far as people still wanting Teslas, Elon's tweets, I've seen Elon change a bit. I don't think the stock price represents a lot of Elon's tweets because if you look at Amazon stock, Google, Rivian, Neo, they're all down like the same, like 50 to 70%. So I think that's just CNBC trying to like write a bunch of articles and get clicks is by saying Tesla's being destroyed by Elon tweets. I think Twitter, because of Elon's stock sale, is going to be okay. They've got a lot of new feature, a lot of new user growth. I think if he hires a CEO, it'll be bullish. There's a lot of catalysts coming for Tesla in 2023. You got the Cybertruck. You got Elon hopefully announcing a CEO for Twitter. Then he goes back to Tesla, or he hires another. If anything, I'm kind of like, this has shown that Tesla can continue to produce, and you don't need Elon at the helm. Maybe Elon moves to more of a, I don't know, a design role or, software role. I don't know, whatever he wants to call himself. But Jeff Bezos did this with Amazon. I don't think Tesla's going away. That's my point in this video. So I'm taking that 2% from 3 of those projects. Really, I'm probably doing it from more. And because the stock market is giving me such a discount right now, guys, I can't help but move some of my crypto offline. I have to move it out of these risky DeFi plays, reducing my risk. And then why do I buy cheap stocks? Well, because if I'm buying at the cheap, the chances of Tesla going to $2 is like not going to happen. Let me just put it out there. So I'm reducing my risk, and I'm buying something so cheap that has the opportunity to quickly double once we get, inflation taken care of. Once the Fed pivots, the Fed might pivot as soon as February. So this is what I'm doing. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know of too many other YouTubers in the space that are really talking like this. It seems like if you're a crypto boy, you have to only talk about crypto. But for me, it's all of the above. I'm here to make money, whether it's real estate, stocks, crypto. That's what I'm doing right now. By the way, I'm not buying any real estate, not looking for real estate until probably 6 months from now, because the real estate market's usually the last thing that really, gets hit. So I think we still have another leg down. We are having a lot of tax loss harvesting happening right now before the end of the year. People are taking those losses so that they can put their losses up against their earnings and reduce their taxable income. That makes a lot of sense. I've been doing some of that. So I don't know. I just see these prices when I literally can't believe my eye. And I'm like, if this thing touches $100, I don't know. It's just, if you look at the fundamentals of Tesla, I'm a big fan. And people say, oh, why do you want to get in the auto industry? And it's like, these things are cyclical. I just like buying disruptive companies. Tesla is leading the way in battery technology. They have vehicles people want. They self-driving, solar, battery storage, robotaxi, robotics, AI. Okay? They're a tech company that I really want to own. And Elon has been quoted on saying that he believes that Tesla will be the most valuable company in the world. Does he have confirmation bias? Of course. So I'm reading through the lines going, where does he get that? And he talked about that in one of their last earnings calls. So for me, this is a piggy bank, man. I'm just storing money in Tesla, buying up the S&P. Yeah, by the way, if you don't like Tesla, just start buying the S&P. Get in Vanguard, but all I'm saying is taking some money out of DeFi, these risky projects, and putting in the stock market might be a good idea. So that's my 222 strategy. I'll put links in the description below if you want to join me. Do so with risk capital. Always break even. Don't just compound to infinity, because none of these projects have ever proven to last forever. And if you say, well, look at Drip's still going. Stop with the groupthink, okay? It's ridiculous. I'm not going to make any comments. Anyways, guys, I love you, and I will see you guys in the next one.